This is Explorer 1, or just Explorer, as the purists like to say it, and the grammar police, which is correct, by the way, but for easy distinguishing average Joe, this is Explorer 1 and this is Explorer 2. So, yeah. Just wanted to give you a little review of this legendary watch, and yeah, it's a timeless design, and it carries the spirit of the original Explorer. They were first introduced after the Mount Everest was conquered, and it's one of the Rolex's most iconic tool watches. It was designed for adventurers, explorers, and it's deeply tied into mountaineering. And it came out after the first successful ascent of Mount Everest in 1953. So this watch did not climb the Everest, but it was another Rolex. And it was Oyster Perpetual, pre-Explorer, so-called, before Explorer, Sir Edmund Hillary, and you always forget the other guy. Damn it, don't be the other guy. Tenzing Norgay, I think, Neil Armstrong, and you know, so they wore the Explorer, pre-Explorer, Oyster Perpetual, actually. And this watch, after the ascent, it was inspired Rolex to make this watch for Explorer. Official name Explorer appears in 1953, and it had 369 numerals for better readability. And yeah, one of the most famous references is 1016 that came out in 1963, and it was made up until 1989, I think. And it was it looked just like this one, but it was more simple, rugged, improved. It had a better water resistance before one, and it's one of the most collectible Explorer ones ever. So yeah, there are many references of Explorer 1, and till this day, it remains one of the Rolex's most understated and practical watches. It's durable, it's elegant, has rich heritage, and it's true adventurer's watch. And yeah, simplicity and functionality never go out of style. This reference is 114270. It was made from 2001 to 2010. It's a modern classic, and there are references after it. It's 124270, and there's a 39 version briefly was produced, but this one is in perfect size, if you ask me. It's 36 mils. It's comfortable, balanced. It's versatile for most wrists. Let me just show you how it looks on my wrist. It's versatile for most wrists, and it's a timeless design. This watch is truly a timeless design and wears beautiful on the wrist. It's like you're having no watch on your wrist. It's that comfortable, and it's one of these watches that would be my perfect one and done. It's a Rolex without screaming, look at me, I wear a Rolex. This is like under the radar Rolex. No one knows, no one appreciates, unless you are enthusiast and someone who are in the know. It's awesome, and it's powered by 3130 movement. It's very precise movement. It's a solid bracelet, solid end links, very wearable. You can wear this on black tie event, on shoot, on any occasion. you can think of. You can wear this to the beach. It's 100-meter water resistant. It has super luminova. It fades a little bit faster than the modern chroma light, but it is what it is. The super luminova has been used for many years and it's still okay. And one of the features that I like, actually it's not a feature, it's a lack of feature, it has no date complication. It has no date complication, and if you have multiple watches that you rotate in your collection, you can really appreciate that. However, wearing this every day as your only watch, I found it that I do miss the date function. If you used to wearing large chunky watches, this might feel too small for you, too compact. I just removed from my wrist this chunky boy, and this one feels more comfortable, way more comfortable on the wrist. After the brigade, it's like I don't have a watch on my wrist. So yeah, it's a fantastic choice. If you appreciate classic Rolex aesthetic and refined, durable, and understated package. This understated comes stressed. It's a beloved model for collectors and enthusiasts who prefer no frills, ready to roll, adventure ready watch.